Today's video, let's see what date it is, and I have to do is find any ball pen in here. What date? And I will mark it. Mark it. What ano ba? Ganun siya. It's so dark in here, so let's go outside.
You see now the beginnings of
Yeah.
Jesus' transition.
To get any ball
Because
pen.
you realize that he was beginning to see who
I
he
see
was.
now. I see
He was
one.
beginning to have an understanding of his visions. And he tells, and this is the second point, no? Why were you looking for me? Do you not know that I need to be in my Father's house? So here now the Lord begins to understand his vision. And in this second point, I'd like to invite you to go back to what I've always invited you to.
Go here. And that's on the light. Perfect light. So don't mind if and our Swift like this ba, our let, or I don't know, like so dirty. I don't have an oh Bob na talaga ako, guys. This is Padre Pio, and this is I have Padre Pio bracelet. Bracelet. God, giver of all, God gives you generously, endow your servant Pio of Petricina with the gift of the Spirit, sending his body as living witness to the saving passion and death of your Son, as many look upon this reflection of your Christ. So guys, yan na. So let's mark it. So first, sabi ko, parang ganyan natin siya ba, parang hindi na siya kumukulay So by the way, today is Sunday. Oh, today is 29. I forgot it. Today is 29 and today is Holy Family. One, 2, 3. Hindi ko alam yan, guys. Basta may nakalagay yan. Hahapon is Holy in nonsense MTSF. Ano to? Jillian Vienna Gale Lichanzi. Ano naman ang haba ng name mo So this is my first vlog that I saw you. So you OA ko naman By the way, my language is Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Because I have a cousin on the Canada, and then she's speaking English, and her language is English, and that's the way I want to speak English, because the other people of the Canada is not understanding Bisaya and Tagalog. If the Tagalog sabot this, ay ubob ko talaga, guys. Ubob. Alam niyo ba kawil karan ng ubob, guys? So I'll put this ball pen into here. Halatang kaliligo ko lang hindi kaliligo, parang nauuga na yung buhok ko. Tutuyo. Diba? Come inside in my heart. Kahit ko naman papasok sa heart niya. Uy, meron kaya sino Saturday? Ko naman, parang di naman ako inaano, pero inaano niya naman ako. Ano daw? May lapis. Sige, mark natin. Naghahanap ako ng ballpen, pero walang lapis dun. By the way, so I'm gonna write a letter here under this, because I don't want to speak English because I'm so pagod. By the way, Tagalog in Bisaya is understand English.